Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to STONKAM live show. This is Vera. Today we are presenting our all-in-one MDVR solution. Before product introduction, I would like to introduce our company first. STONKAM, an IATF 16949 certified company, is a professional manufacturer of vehicle security products for over 19 years. We are based in Guangzhou and have our own R&D department with more than 110 engineers. The products we developed, including camera system, MDVR, 360 around view system, ADAS, AI camera, and radar system, have been widely used in commercial vehicles, agriculture and construction machines, heavy-duty equipment, even boats. Now, I would like to invite my colleague Tina to give us a detailed and professional introduction. Hi Tina.
Hi Vera.
Welcome to join us today.
Thank you for inviting me. And hi everyone, this is Tina from STONKAM.
Tina, did you know there have been many accidents where commercial vehicles crash into snowplows and work zones?
Yes, I often read about this kind of accident in recent news. Even in tough road condition or bad weather, the driver may not be able to see clearly around the vehicle. So, especially when they are driving at high speed, which leading to serious accidents.
Yes, these accidents may not only cause casualties, economic losses, but also make logistic companies to be involved in public opinion storms, causing a crisis of trust.
Yeah, that's true. But do not worry. We are presenting a very powerful and useful system today. It's our mobile DVR, and it's also a very good solution, perfect for fleet management, especially for buses and trucks.
Wow, sounds a super cool system. Could you please briefly introduce it to us?
Yes, sure. And we also installed the complete solution on vehicle today. So let's have a closer look.
Let's go.
So what I have at my hand is our mobile DVR we are presenting today. This is our 8-channel DVR. We also have 4-channel, which means we can connect 4 cameras and 8 cameras maximum. We can also add IPC camera to the DVR, which can extend the DVR to be maximum 12 channels. All the cameras we connect to the mobile DVR are Full HD 1080p, so the video quality is very high. And we also have a touch screen monitor. So this monitor is very special because use this monitor, it is like a remote control, can set all the function of DVR by touch screen. Let's see. So you can see the record display network system. So this all the basic settings for the DVR function. And instead to use remote control, you have to press all the buttons on the remote control. But by this monitor, you can see the vision and you can also set all the functions just a click. And we also have the DMS camera here facing to the driver face, and also have the ADAS camera facing front. All these cameras are regular camera. We integrate the special functions to the DVR control box. So let's check how the DMS and ADAS camera work with mobile DVR. So let's go from the DMS camera function first. So for the DMS camera, we have 7 main functions. The first one you see on the screen is no safety belt alarming. So it will detect when the driver forgot to tie the safety belt, and it will show this icon on the monitor to remind the driver to put it on. So the second main function of DMS camera is fatigue driving. When this camera detects the driver's eye is closing or not so open, he will remind the driver to concentrate on the driving. So next one is distraction. When the camera detects the driver is looking at some places but not focused on driving, it will also remind driver to be concentrate. Our DMS camera also has smoking function. So when it detects the driver is smoking, it will give alarm to stop this behavior. And the next one is a very common one for the driver. They will make phone calls when they are driving. So the DMS camera also can detect this making phone call. It will also give reminder for the driver to stop it. And also, our DMS camera has a special function. We can detect the driver behavior even when the driver is wearing sunglasses. And also for management center, we also have another function, no driver detection. So when this DMS camera recognizes that there is no driver on the driving place, it will also give alarm and update this alarm to the server to remind the management office that there is no driver here.
In addition to drivers' improper behaviors may lead to accidents, there may also be a series of other potential dangers in the normal driving process, such as forward collision, the sudden appearance of pedestrians, and so on. So that's where our ADAS system comes in. The first camera channel of DVR is integrated with ADAS algorithm. Its first function is to alert the driver when detecting pedestrians in front of the vehicle. The second function of ADAS is forward collision warning. DVR will get timed collision according to GPS data when the vehicle speed reaches the preset walking speed and the time is less than the preset time to collision value. There will be an alarm sound to remind the driver, and it will also be sent to the CMS platform in real time. The third feature is to alert the driver to the surrounding when the vehicle is changing lanes. We can choose whether to provide alarm and upload the alarm information in real time in the settings.
Hi guys, we have introduced all the functions of AI mobile DVRs today. So maybe some of you will have some questions.
Tina, I do have one question. I think most of the fleet management teams were also concerned about this. Is it legal to install the device on vehicle or to monitor the driver's behaviors?
That's a very good question. Actually, in some countries, the government already required to install the security camera systems on the vehicle or machines. For example, the public transportation, law enforcement, mining or construction machines. After install the cameras, the driver or operator can get better vision, and which can reduce the accident a lot. We think it's very good.
Yeah, that's true. We already have a lot of successful installation cases for different customers in different application size. If you are interested, we'll share more details with you.
That's all for today. We hope that you already have a better understanding of mobile DVR solution.
Dear audience, if you have further questions or would like to test sample for better understanding, please scan our QR code and send email to our sales email. Okay, everyone, that's all. Bye-bye.